Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily download sounds to your Samsung S24 Ultra. If you're looking for a way to save sounds directly to your phone's memory, this video is for you.